Set at a pedestrian street in the historical center of Puerto de la Cruz, in 4Dreams Hotel we offer 62 comfortable rooms, flat-screen TV, free Wi-Fi and outdoor pool with sea and mountain views. Only 5 minutes away from the hotel there is a free public parking available, as well as public transport station. Visit us and have a pleasant stay visiting the main tourist attractions of Tenerife. Enjoy the sea. A few minutes from the hotel is the Atlantic Ocean with the beautiful Jardín beach and Martiánez with its incredible lake. Enjoy the nature, practicing hiking, photography, biking, paragliding, or visit Spain's highest volcano, el Teide. Enjoy the climate, consider it as one of the world's best, feel the eternal spring of the Canary Islands. Enjoy the city. The hotel is located in a quiet pedestrian street in the heart of Puerto de la Cruz, with its open shopping center where you can enjoy the gastronomy, culture, gardens and museums. Visit us and those 4 dreams will become one wish. Have a joyful holiday.